Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Asana to manage client requests like a helpdesk, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Asana account. If you don't have an account, go to asana.com and sign up for a free trial. Once logged in, navigate to your workspace where you want to set up the helpdesk. Create a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Select a blank project for a customized setup. Give your project a clear name, such as Client Requests. Choose a layout that suits your workflow. A list or board layout works best for tracking requests. Next, set up custom fields for categorizing requests. Click on Customize in the project header. Add fields such as priority, client name, and status. Now, create sections to organize your requests. For example, create sections like New Requests, In Progress, and Encourage team members to use these sections to move requests through the workflow. Add a form to streamline client submissions. Click on Forms in the Project menu. Configure the form to capture essential information like client name, request details, and priority. Set the form to automatically convert submissions into tasks in your project. Next, assign tasks to team members based on their expertise. Use due dates to keep track of client requests and ensure timely responses. It's also helpful to create a templates section for common requests. This allows you to quickly duplicate tasks and save time on repetitive inquiries. Set reminders and notifications for tasks that are pending or overdue. Utilize Asana's timeline feature to visualize deadlines and project milestones. Make sure to regularly review the project to refine processes and improve client interactions. Encourage team members to leave comments on tasks for better communication. Finally, use Asana's reporting features to evaluate workload and identify patterns in client requests. Adjust your setup as necessary to enhance efficiency and service quality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.